What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of finding your Kraken wallet address on both desktop and mobile devices. Understanding how to locate your wallet address is essential for managing your cryptocurrency safely and effectively. We will also clarify the importance of selecting the correct network when using your Kraken address. A Kraken wallet address is a unique identifier for your cryptocurrency account on the Kraken exchange. It allows you to receive cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and others. Always ensure you are using the correct address for each specific cryptocurrency, as sending coins to the wrong address can result in loss of funds. First, let's open up your web browser and go to the Kraken website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. On the top menu, click on Funding. Select Deposit from the drop-down options. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive, like for example, Bitcoin. This will bring up the deposit details for that currency. You will see your unique wallet address displayed. Click on the address to copy it to your clipboard. Ensure that you are using the correct network if prompted, like for example, Bitcoin network for Bitcoin. If you're using mobile devices, launch the Kraken app on your mobile device and log in. Tap on the Home tab, select Funding from the options available. Tap on the Deposit option. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Your wallet address will be displayed on the screen. Tap to copy the address to your clipboard. Finding your Kraken wallet address is a straightforward process whether you are using desktop or mobile device. Always remember to check that you are using the correct address for the specific cryptocurrency you are dealing with. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can effectively manage your cryptocurrency transactions on Kraken. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.